Hi everyone and welcome to the Seller Hub Promotions Workshop. I am Berengere Chaintreau-Fuchs and I'm Head of Product Marketing at eBay UK. I am here today to talk to you about tools you have on eBay to offer great prices, increase your sales velocity and even close the deal with your tempted buyers. At the end of this session, you could expect to understand how and when using promotions on eBay, to get guidance on how to choose the right promotion for your inventory, and to hear about changes coming on eBay to give you even more velocities of sales. What is the benefit for sellers to use Seller Hub promotions? Let's start with the customer and work backwards. When we survey and interview real customers, buyers in the UK, they are telling us that they see eBay as a great destination for value shopping, a place they value for getting something they were not expecting at that price, for getting more value for their money. As a result, using Seller Hub promotions is driving higher conversion for your listings. For example, listing with a multi-buy offer turned on could see up to 10% additional sales. Up to 30% of watchers converted to buyers when using Offer to Buyers from Seller Hub Active Listing tab. So as more and more customers are looking forward to deals, use Seller Hub promotion to drive higher sales for you. So customers want to see great prices and they love a bargain. But they are not stopping there. Here are the few of the things that came up in conversation about what makes a great price and how they feel about value. Number one, they look for value beyond price. What it means for you is that the velocity that you get with a great price will be amplified with a great service, speed of delivery, generous return policies. Second, they want clear and transparent about how much they are saving. Third, there are emotions involved when looking and finding a great price. They are talking about feeling like a winner, finding this hidden gem that they were looking for so long. With Seller Hub promotions, we are trying to give you the tools to recreate those moments and to enable those feelings. We have different tools working for you for that, and we will come back to it later in this presentation. Which Seller Hub promotions to use? You may be wondering, great, but where can I find those promotions? What we call Seller Hub promotions is a set of tools to run prices and discount promotions on your listing. They could be always on or limited in time. They can display a strike-through or a message on the item page about a special offer. To find them, go to Seller Hub Marketing tab and click Promotion. This will lead you to the promotion dashboard. At the top right-hand corner, there is a button Create a Promotion, where you will be presented with a set of options: order discount, multi-buy, and sell event. You can also access some promotions like multi-buy and Offer to Buyers from Seller Hub Active Listing tab. If you're using a third-party tool, remember that those promotions are also available through API, the integration solution third-party tools use to interact with eBay. Most of third parties are offering most or all types of promotion. They will be able to explain you how to set those promotions up within their tools. Let's take a look at the different promotions available to you through Seller Hub promotions. Number one, multi-buy, when you offer a reduced price when buying 2, 3, 4 or more items at the same time. Second, order discount, a conditional discount when buying over a threshold or in multiple quantity. Third, sell event, an unconditional offer where an item or a set of items is reduced in price for a specific period of time. And lastly, offer to buyer, when a seller sent a specific offer to a buyer who have viewed or watched the item for a specific time. If you've been with us last year or looking at our guidance on Seller Center, you may remember this diagram. To build it, we analyzed a lot of promotions on the site and realized that item price and volume or frequency of sales were key to select the right promotion. On high price item, which we consider as above £30, sell event performs better. Where sell events works well for mid to high volume items, Offer to Buyers works well for mid to low volume items by helping to identify the right point where demand meets supply. On low to mid price item, multi-buy is a great tool for items with higher volume of sales. If, however, the volume of purchase frequency is not that high, then order discount works very well, enabling bundling of different items together. These maps represent the natural state where promotions works best, and you can work with it to define what is right for you. Since last year, we have refined this diagram to provide you with added recommendation based on your inventory. The great news is that now we are sending monthly guidance communication to sellers with relevant inventory to give you which promotion to use. If you are listing in category that will be in high demand soon, we are providing personalized advice on which tool to use within which of your category. Watch out for emails and banner for your regular eBay for Business address. And if you want to know more about how we are coming up with this recommendation, here are the 3 KPIs that we are looking at it category by category. First, we are defining sell event friendly category by looking at seasonality and average selling price. Examples of sell event friendly category will be TVs, bikes, PCs and laptops, garden sheds. Then we are looking at multi-buy friendly category by looking at if buyers are purchasing more than one of the same item within the same order. We define this as multi-quantity GMV. Examples of multi-buy friendly category will be batteries, garden fencing, building materials, uniforms, baby clothes. Lastly, for order discount, we are looking at if buyers are mixed and matching more than one item within the same transaction. We call this multi-item GMV. Example of order discount friendly category will be DVDs, party supplies, art and craft, nails and makeup. The great thing with Seller Hub promotions is that you can use it at different times within the life cycle of a listing. At the beginning, when the listing is new, you can use Terapeak for price guidance, and then use multi-buy and order discount as an evergreen pricing strategy. Then, with best performing listings and best sellers, you can use Seller Hub promotion to drive velocity at key retail moments with sell event, test price elasticity with offer to buyers, and drive spending up with multi-buy and order discount. And at the end of the life of a listing or for long-tail inventory, you can use send offer to buyers to engage with those interested buyers and increase discounts on multi-buy to clear stock. Let's have a look at the best practice for Sell Hub promotions. What discount is the best practice for sell event? Is it 5%, 15%, 25%? Best practice for sell event. Promote only inventory that is already on price. Use 20% discounts when you can. This will drive higher attention to your listings. Remember that sell event can be used on a set of items to highlight more of your inventory. With this, you can delight your customer by providing great price on top of great service. Remember, service is king. Keep it simple and clear. The discount will be shown as a strike-through price on view item page and search result page. What is the best practice related to the highest tier for a multi-buy? 5% discount, 15%, 25%? Best practices for multi-buy. We recommend to use all of the discount tier to get the maximum number of pills within the buyer experience, as you can see on the screen. Remember that the highest tier is for order of 4 or more of the same item, and this is not happening very often. So then you can use a double-digit discount like 15%, for example, to improve the quality of your offer. With this, you can delight your customer by keep it simple and clear. The reduced price per item is displayed directly on the pills from the view item page. And you can reward customers that are buying more than one of the same item at the same time, building bigger orders for you. What is the best practice related to the maximum number of categories within the same campaign for order discount? Is it a maximum of 2, 3, 5? The best practice for order discount means that we recommend to use quantity or threshold condition depending on the price of the item. We recommend to use threshold for higher ASP item. We also recommend to group items that make sense together and avoid grouping items for more than 3 categories within the same campaign. With this, you can delight your customer by providing a great price on top of great service. Remember, service is king. And you can reward customers that are looking around more of your inventory and are spending more time on your listings. How many watchers converted to buyers with offer to buyers? 10%, 20%, up to 30%? Here are the best practices for offer to buyers. Use offer to buyers often on listings that show great engagement, using Seller Hub Active Listing tab to identify those. Remember, you can use lower than 5% offer for items higher than £200. With this, you can delight your customer by working with them to find the best price in a negotiation. Remember about feeling like a winner and finding this hidden gem. and you can reward customers that are looking for this very specific item that only you have in stock. Here are the few changes that are coming in Q4 related to Seller Hub promotions. First, we are making change to offer to buyers by bringing more automation. You will be able to select and send offers on a multiple item at the same time from Seller Hub active listing page. Auto send is also coming later this month. It will be an option to send offer to buyers automatically every 24 hours that you can define at listing level. We recently launched a new badge on search result page called Great Price. This new badge is intended to help trusted sellers with competitive pricing to better highlight their listing and attract more buyers. This feature will appear on certain products that are in high demand based on sales history, impression, and engagement. The badge will depend on a variety of factors, including but not limited to only listing from sellers that meet above standard and top-rated seller status would be included. The listing needs to be of new condition and matched to a unique product using product identifiers. The listing needs to be competitively priced across similar listings on eBay. Item price and shipping cost, listing format, term of services, history and relevance to the search item used, as much as buyer search term and the site they are browsing are also taken into account. Great Price is not a paid feature, and the placement of listings in search result remains subject to best match. Promoted listings remain a separate program. We've seen an increase in buyer engagement with Great Price item that could help boost sellers' sales chance. To become part of this program, we recommend that you provide item specifics and product identifiers on your item. You should also consider competitive pricing and continue to offer buyers a great service. Standard Shopfront coming to the eBay app. Earlier this summer, we launched Standard Shopfront on the eBay app. This means that we encourage all sellers to move to the Standard Shopfront to benefit from added entry points to their shop. Sellers using custom pages for their shopfront will not benefit from this change. We are now at the end of this workshop. To conclude, I'd like you to remember that promotions are driving sales and velocity. Encourage everyone to choose the right promotion, review and optimize. And start to plan now for your promotion strategy until peak.